Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to make these three beautiful DIYs. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you do enjoy this video, please sanitize, subscribe and share, and also give it a big thumbs up. So yeah, let's get right into the video. So I will start up with a butterfly DIY. So you need to grab a medium thick kind of wrapper, fold it and place your design. Trim the design and rest it. Choose the color of your heart desires, but make sure that it is going to be match your wall color. So I'm choosing black and this gold one. And yeah, don't forget to seal your project with the Mod Podge. Mod Podge is the one which is going to help your paint to stay in their place. Glue it and place randomly on the wall. That's it, you are ready to present. You can make two butterflies in a minute. So our next DIY is Mandala DIY. Grab a really thick cardboard and cut your desired shape. I recommend you to choose a black color as a base paint. I am ready with the base paint. Done. Choose some 4 to 5 bright colors. Mandala art is a very easy art which everyone can make. Just follow your own design and enjoy. I'm done with the art. These are broken curtain handles, so I'm using to make a stand. I painted them white and glue it. That's it. You are ready to present. Our next DIY is Wali art DIY. Grab old plate and color it. So if you want, you can end up this DIY by here itself, but I'm going to do more. So this is a Wali art. Again, a easy art which everyone can make. So here I recommend you to choose some bright colors. That's it. Give some definitions and let them for dry. Well, this step is optional. I'm adding a really thick thread just to make it presentable. Then glue it and stick on plates. Of course, Mod Podge is must to apply. Seal both and leave it for dry. decorate with some lights, and you're good to present. My favorite one is butterfly DIY. Comment your favorite one, and thanks for joining me here. Meet you guys in my next video. Bye.